Why is nobody talking about Flora Nwapa, the first Nigerian novelist and author?
And thought it wasn't a bad story, but I didn't have the courage to give it to anybody to read. Then I gave it to Chinua Achebe in Lagos, who read it and said that it was a good story and that he was sending it to his publishers, Heinemann of London. He did, and within 4-5 months, it was accepted for publication. That was how it happened.
How did you feel then?
I felt on top of the world.
Great.
I felt great. I never knew. And once your book is accepted for publication, you've become a writer. Mm-hmm. So I found myself doing the second one.
At that time, you became the first African or Nigerian woman.
African woman
that had a novel published by
Heinemann of London. Yes. Yes.
So you made history.
I made history.
She was the forerunner to a generation of African women writers and the first African woman novelist to be published in English in Britain. She achieved international recognition with her first novel, Efuru, published in 1966 by Heinemann Educational Books, while never considering herself as a feminist. She was best known for recreating lives and traditions from Igbo women's viewpoints. She published African literature and promoted women in African society. Nwapa engaged in governmental work in reconstruction after the Nigerian Civil War. In particular, she worked with orphans and refugees who were displaced during the Biafran War. Nwapa was born in Oguta local government area of Imo State, the eldest of 6 children of Christopher Ijoma. Flora Nwapa attended school in Oguta Secondary School, Obiakpo local government of Rivers State, CMS School, Lagos State, which later moved to Ibadan. In 1953, when she was 22 years old, she attended university and in 1956 earned a BA degree in the University College Ibadan, Oyo. She then went to Scotland where she earned diploma in education from Edinburgh University in 1958. After returning to Nigeria, Nwapa joined the Ministry of Education in Calabar as an education officer until 1959. She then took employment as a teacher at Queen's School, Enugu. There she taught English and geography from 1959 to 1962. She continued to work in both education and civil service, including Assistant Registrar of the University of Lagos, 1962 to 1967. After the Biafran War of 1967 to 1970, she accepted cabinet office as Minister of Health and Social Welfare in East Central States, 1970 to 1971, and subsequently as Minister of Land, Survey and Urban Development, 1971 to 1974. She was a visiting lecturer of Alvan Ikoku Federal College of Education, Owerri. In 1989, she was appointed a visiting professor of creative writing of the University of Maiduguri. Flora Nwapa died of pneumonia on 16th October 1993 at a hospital in Enugu at the age of 62. Tell me one of Flora Nwapa's novels that you know in the comment section.